What if I told you that by simply repeating after me today, you'll end this video speaking more than 80 natural, native-level English sentences without writing anything down? I didn't just learn English today, I actually spoke English today. Too good to be true? Try it. This is not theory, this is real practice, and it's changing lives. Welcome to day 2 of our 30-day shadowing challenge right here on Just Say English, the channel where we don't just study English, we live it. I'm Ramo, your coach, partner, and fellow learner on this journey. If you're serious about speaking English naturally, fluently, and confidently, you're in the right place. And if you've done day 1 already, you're on fire. If not, don't worry, because day 2 is packed with powerful, real sentences used in daily life, from the moment you open your eyes to the moment you sit at your desk. Shadowing isn't magic, it's science. It rewires your brain by training your mouth, ears, and brain to work together just like native speakers. Here's what you need to do. Listen first, understand the tone and pace. Repeat after me out loud, no whispering, speak with confidence. Copy my rhythm, match my speed, tone, and natural pauses. Don't worry about mistakes. Fluency is built by doing, not by waiting for perfection. Let's begin the day just like we do in real life. You and me will go step by step. Imagine this routine as your own. Waking up. 1. I wake up at 6:45 every morning. 2. The alarm rings. I frown and turn it off. 3. I lie in bed for a moment, just breathing. 4. I blink a few times and stretch my whole body. 5. I say to myself, let's start strong today. 6. I sit up and crack my neck gently. 7. I take a long, slow yawn. 8. I check the time again. Yes, still early. 9. I don't scroll social media. I want peace. 10. I smile and say, one day at a time. That's the mindset of a fluent speaker. One step every day. Let's keep going. Bathroom routine. 11. I walk to the bathroom, still half asleep. 12. I turn on the tap and splash water on my face. 13. The water is cold. It shocks me awake. 14. I brush my teeth in circles, top and bottom. 15. I rinse and check my smile in the mirror. 16. I wash my face gently with a foamy cleanser. 17. I pat my skin dry with a soft towel. 18. I apply face cream and eye gel. 19. I brush my hair and fix the messy parts. 20. I look in the mirror and say, let's look sharp today. Great job. You're not just brushing your teeth, you're brushing up on your fluency. Let's move on to what we wear. Getting dressed. 21. I go to the closet and look through my shirts. 22. I check the weather app. Today's cloudy with a breeze. 23. I choose a dark green hoodie and black jeans. 24. I grab my socks and fold them neatly. 25. I put on a watch, helps me stay on schedule. 26. I pick my favorite white sneakers. 27. I double check if they're clean. 28. I spray a bit of perfume, not too much. 29. I comb my hair again, just to be sure. 30. I give myself a nod in the mirror. You're looking good, and your spoken English is sounding even better. Now let's fuel that brain. Breakfast time. 31. I walk into the kitchen and take a deep breath. 32. I drink a full glass of warm water with lemon. 33. I start the coffee machine, the aroma fills the room. 34. I crack 2 eggs and whisk them quickly. 35. I toast 2 slices of brown bread. 36. I cut up some strawberries for a side. 37. I pour my coffee and add a little milk. 38. I sit down and enjoy the silence while I eat. 39. I avoid checking email during breakfast. 40. I remind myself, start calm, stay focused. Well done. Breakfast done, energy up. Now, let's get ready to step out into the world. Preparing to leave. 41. I rinse my dishes and wipe the counter. 42. I pack a light lunch, a sandwich, an apple. 43. I check my to-do list for the day. 44. I put everything in my backpack, charger, notebook, water. 45. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone. 46. I throw on a jacket, it's a little chilly. 47. I check myself one last time in the mirror. 48. I say out loud, let's make today count. 49. I open the door and take a breath of fresh air. 50. I lock the door and start walking. You're leaving the house with purpose and perfect English. Now, let's shadow what happens on the way to work. Commute to work. 51. I walk to the bus stop. 52. Birds are chirping and the breeze feels good. 53. I see familiar faces on the street. 54. I smile and say, morning, to a neighbor. 55. I reach the stop. The bus arrives in 2 blank minutes. 56. I get on, tap my card, and find a window seat. 57. I plug in my earphones and open my English podcast. 58. I listen, pause, and repeat phrases I like. 59. I shadow quietly, mouth moving, voice soft. 60. I remind myself, this is how fluency is built. Your commute is now a classroom and you're the top student. Now let's reach the office and begin the day. Starting the workday. 61. I walk into the office and greet the receptionist. 62. I smile at my coworkers and say, good morning. 63. I head to my desk and turn on my computer. 64. I check my calendar and meetings for the day. 65. I open my emails and respond to the urgent ones. 66. I sip some coffee and organize my task list. 67. I attend the daily team meeting and take notes. 68. I ask a question clearly and confidently. 69. I complete the first task before 10:00 a.m. 70. I feel focused and productive. The English you just shadowed is professional, practical, and powerful. But wait, we're not done yet. Lunchtime dialogues. 71. I head to the break room at noon. 72. I ask a colleague, want to grab lunch together? 73. We walk to the cafe nearby. 74. I order a grilled sandwich and iced tea. 75. I say, how's your morning been? 76. We talk about the weather, the weekend, and a new movie. 77. I listen carefully and respond naturally. 78. I say, Let's catch up again tomorrow. 79. We walk back slowly, laughing a little. 80. I return to my desk and feel refreshed. Small talk builds real confidence, and you're getting better every day. You've now shadowed over 80 real sentences used in daily routines, from waking up to working to lunchtime conversations. You didn't just study English today, you spoke it, you lived it, you owned it. Say this with me. I'm not just learning English, I'm becoming fluent. One day at a time, one sentence at a time. Let's do this again tomorrow. Your challenge. Use this sentence in the comments. Leave my house at sharp. Fill in the blank with your real time and let me know you're showing up. You showed up today. You practiced. You improved. This is Ramo from Just Say English, and this was day 2 of our 30-day shadowing challenge. Keep shadowing. Keep showing up. Keep going. Fluency is just a few sentences away. See you in day 3. You're doing amazing.